washouts on that bank over there. You see them washouts? That's where we need to sit next. We can land between them washouts.
Damn right.
You know what?
Yeah.
And we can see this whole embankment.
Damn right. I agree.
Looks like pretty good cover.
Yeah.
There's something looking at us right now. Mark my words.
Yeah, dude, it's a coyote.
I see him, oh boy. I see him.
Is he down?
No, no, he's running. He's running. He's running. About to stop on the road. About to stop. Hey, hey!
Hey, you!
He crossed. He went ahead and crossed. You think you got him?
I should have been on him. How about the bobcat?
What do you mean?
The first shot I fired.
Well, there was two animals up there?
Yeah, I shot at a bobcat first right there at the crest.
Oh, well, I seen something run. Bobcat never ran. When did you go find the bobcat then?
Bobcat's a dead motherfucker then.
That was a coyote I'd have seen running.
Yeah, that was a coyote I just shot at second time.
Let's go, old boy. Let's go.
Damn, old boy. Nice.
We made it happen today, boys.
Let's pick up our brass. Yeah. Yeah, we got a dead bobcat then, I think.
It was right. Both of them were right by the decoy.
Nice.
Wasn't they? That's
Yeah.
where he took off from, but there ain't even much wind on the decoy.
The coyote I shot at was way high up on the ridge.
But whenever you first shot the bobcat, the coyote started right here and crossed the creek and stopped right there on the ridge.
Oh, nice.
The coyote was right here.
Nice.
That's what I thought you were shooting at, old boy.
No, I was shooting at the bobcat.
Let's go see if we can find his ass.
All right. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, folks, that concludes this afternoon's predator hunt. Looked like it was pretty successful. I think we just shot, maybe, I don't know what we did. I just missed a coyote, but I think we just killed a bobcat. So we fixing to go see. It was a 200-yard shot, 250 on the coyote. And it happened pretty fast, so we're just kind of excited right now. It's our second night on our first try on our YouTube channel, y'all. So if y'all liking it, y'all just subscribe, hit us a like, give us some comments. We'll help y'all any way we can. We're just shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor, doing a little mouth calling this afternoon out on the dairy. So we're gonna go see if we can't find this cat.
Wherever you shot the cat, he should be right there, because I never seen him. All I seen was the coyote take off running when he shot the cat.
cat should be dead. Cat should be graveyard dead.
Well, if he is, he's getting mounted. Huh? I've been wanting a bobcat mount unless you want him to mount.
Hell yeah.
Or let's make a
Yeah.
what is that bullshit? We'll dry his hide out and make a throw rug.
That was badass, old boy.
It happened bigger than shit. Where was the coyote? I mean the bobcat, old boy.
Huh?
Where was the bobcat?
Right over this ridge. I could just see from the top half of him down. That's all I could see.
Well, the
I
coyote
couldn't
was
see his legs.
the coyote was at the decoy. That's where he took off.
The bobcat was either right here past the decoy on this ridge or just over the next ridge.
I'm trying to find the ridge where I put the. Right here it is.
There's a decoy right here. The cat was.
He had to be on this ridge. You wouldn't have seen him over it, would you?
There he is, old boy, yeah!
Hell yeah, old boy!
It's a coyote!
It was a coyote. Well,
There's somebody looking like a bobcat over that
well,
grass.
it happens fast,
Hey,
old boy.
Hang on, let me record.
It happens fast.
All right.
Successful coyote hunt.
Here we go. We got us a coyote. We got us old yote this afternoon. We thought it was a cat. It was a long way off. It was low light. But I knew that, we done got her something here.
Good shot, old boy. Good shot.
Oh, that's right where I put her. That's right where I put her, old boy. That's right where she intended to be, right there. All right. That's what it's about right here. We're out here doing some predator control. And like I said, we just doing a little mouth calling, having a little fun. So, oh boy,
I love
that's
it,
how
John.
it's done.
Been
right
a long
there,
time.
boy.
Been a long time.
We just got a simple wind-blown decoy here, just a turkey feather on a swivel on a stick stuck in the ground. We had 2 yotes come in on us this afternoon. We got one and we missed the other one. Look like, but hey, if you do this long enough, you're gonna miss every now and then. This is how it is. But we'd have made a 200-yard square even shot on this yote here with old Creedmoor and looked like we'd done the duty on her. We'll holler at y'all later on. Stay tuned for the next one. Hit us some likes and come on and subscribe, guys. Welcome to